Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello, how are you?
I'm good. What about you, ma'am?
All good, all good. Where are you speaking from?
Saharanpur.
Saharanpur. Okay. So your name is Pushpa
Yes.
Devi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you feeling nervous or you're feeling comfortable?
I am feeling comfortable.
Very good, very good. So please tell me something about yourself.
My name is Puspa from Saharanpur. I have two children, one son and one daughter. Both are grown up and settled. My husband is policeman. That's
Oh,
all about me.
so you are a police officer's wife. Okay. You like it that he is a police officer?
Yes,
So wherever you go, you get a different kind of respect, don't you?
because ma'am, nowadays no one give respect police person.
Oh, oh, you mean to say nobody respects policemen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to learn English?
This is my childhood dream.
Okay. And what about your husband? Does he speak English well?
No, he doesn't know speak English.
Okay, okay. What about your children? Where have they settled?
My son is policeman in
Oh,
Bareilly.
oh, your son is also a policeman. Oh, wow. What
Yes,
about your
yes,
daughter?
ma'am. My daughter is banker.
Your daughter is a banker.
Yes, ma'am. She
Oh,
is posted in Banda city.
okay. So is she married?
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. And your son is also married?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So your son will get married. Where does he live?
Yes, ma'am. She is going to be married uh, on 18 January.
Your daughter will get married on 18th of January.
No, son.
Your son will get married on 18th of January. So are you, preparing for the wedding?
Yes, ma'am.
You are doing lots of shopping.
Yes, ma'am.
So you shop with your husband?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you a homemaker?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do people in your neighborhood speak English?
No, ma'am. I live in rural area.
Okay. You live in rural area. Nobody speaks English. It's your childhood dream. You want to become
Yes,
good at
ma'am.
English. So what do you do to become good at English?
I watch on daily basis conversation video, rapid fire video, grammar video, etc. All about I watch English content.
Mhm. So you watch a lot of English content. Do you speak English also?
Little bit.
But if you watch English content, you should speak English also every day. Then you will become fluent in English.
Thank you, ma'am.
I am saying that if you do a lot of speaking practice, then you will become fluent in English. By just watching English content, nothing will happen. Okay? Should I give you a speaking activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So describe your husband.
My husband is a
Describe your husband's job, his nature, how he is at home, and how he is with his children. Everything about him.
my husband comes home uh, twice a week, twice in a week.
Okay.
My son comes at home twice in a month.
No, no. Describe your husband's nature and his job.
His nature very good.
Okay. Your husband's nature is very good. Okay. How is he with his children? And how is your relationship with your husband?
My relationship with my husband good, and my husband relation ship my children as a friend.
Okay.
Is consider both children as a friend.
Okay. So he talks to
My
them as
children
friends.
share everything with
Mhm.
their father.
Okay. So your children share everything with their father. Are they close to you also, your children?
Yes, my son close me very close.
Okay, your son is very close to you. Okay, tell me, does your husband share everything with you?
Yes, ma'am.
So why does he come home just twice a week? He doesn't come home every day?
Yes, ma'am. She doesn't come every day. She comes twice in a week.
Your husband, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You can't put she with your
She,
husband. Don't put she with your husband. Say he.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
He is living in Ghaziabad.
you live in Ghaziabad. He comes home twice a week.
No, ma'am. I live in Saranpur. He is living in Ghaziabad.
Oh, he lives in Ghaziabad and he comes home only twice a week. So when does he come home?
Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday, Sunday.
So you can't say twice a week. He comes home once a week for weekends. He comes home on weekends. He stays home for 2 days only, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So does he come on Friday night?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, he comes home Friday night and he goes back on Monday morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock on
In
Monday
the-
morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how do you spend your weekend with him when he comes?
Not especially normal.
Okay. It's
I
normal.
spend my day normal.
You spend your day normally. Do your children live with you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you and your husband are alone at home on weekends, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you spend your time? Do you watch movies or go for walks together? What do you do? Or you talk to each other? What all do you do on weekends?
My husband doesn't like go for walk. He
Okay.
doesn't like talk. He doesn't like more talk. He was watching reels in his mobile. Reels, watching reels.
Okay. So he doesn't like to go on walks.
Yes, ma'am.
He doesn't want to talk much. He just wants
Yes,
to
yes,
he just wants to use his mobile and watch reels on it.
yes, ma'am.
Do you like Instagram reels?
No, ma'am. I like watching conversation video only.
Okay. So do you watch something on TV?
No, ma'am. I left watching TV.
Oh, you have stopped watching TV now. You don't watch TV anymore.
I quit.
Okay. So your husband watches TV?
No, ma'am.
He also doesn't watch TV.
No, ma'am.
Hmm.
She
Okay.
watches mobile.
He only uses his mobile. Okay. Do you both go and visit your son?
No, ma'am. He doesn't have time to go anywhere.
Okay. So on weekends, does your husband take you for dinner or movie?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. He doesn't like go outside. He like homemade food.
He only likes homemade food. But what about you? Do you like homemade food all the time?
No, ma'am. Because I had been ill since 2010. That's why I don't prefer to eat outside.
Okay. You have not been keeping well since 2010. That is why you can't eat outside food. You don't prefer to eat outside food. You only eat homemade food. Who cooks?
Yes, ma'am.
You cook the food?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you ever feel like does it ever happen that you don't feel like cooking? आज मन नहीं कर रहा खाना बनाने का. Do you ever feel like that?
No, ma'am.
No? Oh, you love cooking
No.
that much. You love cooking so much that it never happens with you.
No, that much like. Whenever I feel like I don't cook food, that time I call my maid.
Okay, okay. Okay, if you don't feel like cooking, you call your maid and she cooks for you.
Yes,
Okay, okay. What does she cook? Does she cook well?
very well.
Okay.
Tasty.
Oh, wow.
She makes tasty food.
Oh, she makes very nice food. She cooks really well.
Only dal, vegetables, chapatis, because I don't eat oily food.
Okay. You ask her to cook and she cooks really well. So tell me one thing that she cooks very well.
She makes chapati.
Okay. She makes chapati very well. No, tell me some dish, some vegetable or dal or some dish that she cooks well.
All dishes cook well.
Okay. Is your husband fond of cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Your husband also cooks.
Yes, ma'am.
So what does he cook?
All thing.
Tell me one thing that he cooks very well.
Kadhi, chawal,
Mhm.
rajma, chawal,
Okay.
karela, halwa,
Wow.
everything.
Your
Cooks
husband knows
well.
cooking so well. So when you get up in the morning and you tell him that I don't feel like cooking today, does he make breakfast for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
When she comes home, he doesn't let me do anything.
Oh, such a lovely husband.
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, such a good husband, such a caring one.
Yes, ma'am.
He doesn't let you cook when he comes home. And does he make tea for you
Tea.
in the morning?
He makes breakfast, lunch, dinner. She makes tea for me. He makes tea for me.
Oh, he makes tea and breakfast, lunch, dinner. Then what do you do if he makes everything? If he cooks everything, then what do you do?
I enjoy and happy
Oh, wow. So you enjoy the lovely food that he cooks. And
because ma'am, I am ill. That's why he always prefer to do all work.
okay, he prefers to cook because you are not keeping well. And it's good
Yes, ma'am.
because,
Yeah.
wives also do so much for their husbands. So if husbands cook, it's great. For you, it's amazing that he's cooking for you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. He's nice person. He's
Oh.
very good person.
He's a very good person. Okay, does your son also know cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
So who taught him cooking?
By herself, himself.
Your son learned cooking by himself.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you didn't teach him, and your husband also
But-
didn't teach him.
By seeing her father.
Okay. And what about your daughter?
My daughter cooks very good cook. My daughter very good cook.
So your daughter is also a good cook. Who taught her cooking? She also learned herself by watching her father.
By watching her father, both children by watching her father.
Okay. Do your children speak English well?
Yes, ma'am, very well.
Okay. So do you speak English with them? If your children know how to speak English well, you should speak with them so that you can do your English
Ma'am.
practice.
They don't like speaking English at home.
Okay, what is your mother tongue?
Hindi.
Okay. So you all speak Hindi at home so that you feel the connection. If you start speaking English, then you don't feel that connection, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I talk to my son on call English sometime in English.
Okay. You talk to your son in English.
He gets happy.
Oh. So he becomes very happy when you speak
Mama
English.
is speaking English.
Okay, your children support you. They encourage you to learn English, right?
Yes, ma'am. Please suggest me what do you do enhance my communication skill?
I will tell you there are some basic steps. The first step is reading. You should read every day for 10-15 minutes. You can start with storybooks. The next step is you start watching English conversations, English videos, English interviews, comedies, English cooking videos, anything that is in English, English movies and web series also. The most important step is speaking. Speak English every day. If there is no one, then speak English with yourself or your son. Or maybe
Yes,
you
ma'am.
start speaking English in front of the mirror and record yourself, then listen to it and see what mistakes you have made.
Writing is important.
Writing is also very good. If you start writing every day for 5 minutes, it will definitely enhance your English. Writing is also very good. You do reading, writing, speaking, listening. If you follow all four, then you will become fluent. It will take time because,
Yes, ma'am.
learning a language takes time.
I write in the morning one paragraph daily.
Very good. So you write one paragraph daily in the morning. What kind of topics do
ma'am.
you take?
Sudhamurthy's book.
Oh, wow. So you write.
300 stitches.
Okay.
I started only 1 week ago.
Started reading Sudhamurthy's books 1 week ago?
Yes, ma'am. Reading and writing.
Very good, very good. That will definitely help you. Tell me something about Sudhamurthy's books. Tell me what you have read in that book.
Only 2 paragraphs read. I have read only 2 paragraphs.
Tell me the summary of those 2 paragraphs.
In which Sudhamurthy's daughter help blind son.
Okay, Sudhamurthy's daughter helps blind children.
Wanted to help blind children.
Okay, that's good. Okay, what else did you read?
Nothing.
Okay, why do you like Sudhamurthy's books?
Because everyone says Sudhamurthy's book is good for reading. Easy to understand. That's why, ma'am.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay, you are understanding her books. That's good. So keep reading those books, and you spoke well. Just keep practicing every day and follow these 4 steps that I just told you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Give me your precious time, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I also had so much fun talking to you. Okay, bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.